Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful bottles, and it's absolutely free. Stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, so some of the ingredients you're going to need is oil, this is canola oil because I do not eat with canola oil, so I just use it to basically get rid of glue. Fun fact, how I learned that oil gets rid of wax. I'm going to save that for another video of glue. It's when I was waxing myself I figured that out, but that's gonna be another video. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I did it. I'm gonna get rid of all these on the bottle, and it's gonna look just literally brand new like this. You guys are gonna be so amazed. These cost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cost like $22 on Amazon. Ain't no need for that. You got them right here. So this is something you can do in free time. Just make sure you don't cut yourself. So you just wanna like. Okay, so I'm just gonna speed in this part up so y'all can just see how I take off the wrapper of this paper. So just look through this real quick and then go back to normal. I suggest ripping these off, and this video is not sponsored by any of these companies. I'm just trying to put y'all on game here. So when you remove these, I'm going to show you how to wash the debris from the inside so you can store your products for as long as you want. Please be careful while taking these off. Okay, so y'all, now I've brought just a bowl of water, and I'm just going to put some, this is literally just dishwashing soap. Just a little bit, and this is completely optional, although I do suggest it because you want to get rid of all the things in there. Even though it looks empty, you just want to soak it because this also gets rid of this part. So I'm just gonna put that in there. This needs a little more soap. Yo, we watered these down because y'all know if you just know you gotta water these down. So a little bit more, just so it gets real soapy. And then in like 5 minutes, you're gonna start seeing this coming off. And if it doesn't, don't worry, I'm gonna get you through that process. So now I'm gonna get this out the way. All right, y'all. So you see, it's like this is just a little towel. I'm gonna use the oil now. This is like the most important part. A lot of y'all probably tune in for this. Just want to get a little bit on there, as much as you think is generous. So I'm going to use this bottle that I already put some stuff in there because it just looked good. But I don't know if y'all can see the residue. This is the glue, the adhesive from one of these wrappers. So, and you just want to make sure you take the oil and you just firmly rub that on. And the reason why I'm using this towel is so y'all see that, like, all of it is coming off. Okay, I'm gonna keep working on this, password it, and then let's check on this other bottle right here. You can use a glass bottle for years. Like, they take 1 million years to decompose. Don't quote me on that, but just a fun fact. Okay, y'all, so make sure you subscribe and let me know in the comments what y'all gonna use this bottle to do. Some example of things you can use these bottles to do is juicing, saving products, water, just anything you want to store for a long time, oil. Let me know in the comments what you're doing with your glass bottles, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.